Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's October 15th. We're out here in the garden and we're fixing to harvest the sunchokes. Okay, you can see they're pretty much dying back now, so they should be ready to harvest. They've just laid all over. They grow tall. The wind's laid them over. We hadn't been in here. The grass is all grown up in here. But what we're going to do first is we're going to try to cut these up, get some pieces out of the way. I'll put them off in the wheelbarrow. It'll be good to get back in this area again. We'll kind of get the basics off of here. Now, I have no idea what's under there. You can see I'm just starting this out on video, so if they don't do good, you'll know. But this is the first year for me planting sunchokes. Now, for those of you that don't know about sunchokes, this is new to the channel and didn't follow along when we first started. A sunchoke is a tuber. A lot of people call them Jerusalem artichokes. They're kind of like a potato. You can use them as a potato substitute, boil them, make mashed sunchokes. It's kind of be like a potato. But they taste like a watercress when they're raw. So we're going to find out if we can find where they're at. We have some healthy stuff off in here. Some good weeds. Now this is when you do unedited video. So when you come in to do this, but we're going to get in here. We're going to take these out. We're going to work on this one plant. See about harvesting these. My camera woman wants to stand on my grass, I think, to make it harder to get stuff up. And then I've got berry vines coming in here. That's not good. I'll have to get some gloves for that. I think we're almost there. Ground's good and moist. We've been running irrigation on this, which really helped out. So hoping we got a good crop. For those of you that remember, I believe it was a pound of sunchokes that we purchased through Azure. I always put a link in my description below the video. And we're going to just see how these do. Now, some of these look awful small. Let's hope they're not all that way. And once you do sunchokes now, and this is what we're looking at, kind of odd shape, and they're going to be, once you plant them somewhere, pretty much you're going to have them right there, because you're not going to get all these out. They're going to come back the next year and the next year. And we'll dig around here, see if there's some others from that plant. Doesn't look like we got anything on this one here, so we'll move on to this other one. I better get me a little container or put these somewhere. How about in her hand? I don't know if a lot of you ever ate watercress. You can see how these little ones are dropping back in there. I'm not going to worry about cleaning them out. It's going to be one of those deals where we're going to keep growing them in this spot, let them kind of extend if they want, and grow bigger. Now, I don't know how many have actually had watercress. It's been a long time since I've had watercress. I'm sure it doesn't matter how many you take out, you're going to miss some. There are a lot of them that's small. There'll be a lot of them that get buried. They're all up in here. Anyway, that's how you harvest. We're going to go ahead and harvest out the rest of these. I don't remember if there were 6 or 7 plants, maybe a few more. It's been a while and I've slept since then, but you can see all these. We're just going to have to break apart these roots and get all these out of here. Well, and there we go. We got considerably more than what we planted. Nothing extremely large, but these were put in a little bit late. They should have been put in possibly even this time of year. Give them time to acclimate through the winter and start growing early spring. So we'll see how that goes next time. We've saved a lot of the little roots that's here that's starting to form. We'll see how these grow. We're going to throw some more in the ground down there and take and grow these for next year. Now, one thing I didn't mention about these is Sunchokes are a prebiotic, so it works in conjunction with your probiotics. So it feeds them, gives you stronger gut health. So this might be something you want to grow if it's the flavor you want. Like I say, you got a choice eating them raw. Now I don't figure I'm going to be peeling any of these, but I'll just scrub them good with the brush and I'm going to taste them, see how they are. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video and the update how that went for this year. You want to see more of these videos? Of course, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all, give it a big thumbs up, and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.